Polybuzz, Synthesia, or Pictory? Which AI tool dominates viral video creation in 2025? First up, Polybuzz. This tool is all about fun and fast AI voice battles. You just pick a celebrity voice, type your script, and boom, meme-worthy content in seconds. Perfect for TikToks, memes, and viral skits. Next is Synthesia, your go-to for polished AI avatar videos. You type your script, pick an avatar, and the digital presenter delivers it like a human. It is great for explainer videos, internal training, and YouTube intros. And finally, Pictory. This tool turns long-form content like blog posts or scripts into stylish, ready-to-share videos with captions, music, and visuals. It is ideal for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and content repurposing. So which AI video tool should you choose? Polybuzz is perfect for viral meme content and voice-based skits. Synthesia shines when you need something polished and professional. And Pictory, that's your best bet for turning long content into short, engaging videos fast. Which one are you trying first? Polybuzz, Synthesia, or Pictory? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more AI reviews.